कहानी सुनाना बच्चे को छोटी उम्र से ही एडुकेट करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है। थ्रू दिस ये बच्चे एक अलग ही इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड में चले जाते हैं।
Yeah, that's true indeed. So my dear audience, next in line, get ready to be enchanted by the boundless imagination of our junior KG stars as they present a delightful act featuring the iconic character Tweetie the brave bird.
In this enchanting performance, our little performers will transport you to the whimsical world of Tweetie, where courage knows no size.
Dear, I can't believe my friends make fun of me. They called me names and laughed at me. Oh no, Tofu, that must have been so hurtful and embarrassing for you. It was. I don't know what to do. Don't worry, Tofu. It's natural to feel upset when someone says or does something mean to us. But you can't let their words define you. But how do I stop feeling hurt? Well, Tofu, I have a story that night. It's a story about a brave little bird who learned to rise above the taunts and insults of others. But that sounds interesting.
It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up
And move around. And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. Our friend the wolf. He goes ho, 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 ho. Doing the animal dance. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up
Move around. And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. Our friend the cat. She goes meow, 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 meow. Doing the animal dance. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up
And move around. And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. Our friend the duck. He goes quack, 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 quack. Doing the animal dance. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up
And move around. And clap our hands.
And clap our hands.
Look over there. Our friend the monkey. He goes ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Doing the animal dance. It's the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
Let's all stand up.
Let's all stand up
And move around.
and
And clap our hands.
clap our hands.
Once upon a time, in a forest, there was a small bird named Tweetie. Tweetie was a cheerful and energetic bird who loved to sing and dance. But one day, while Tweetie was singing and dancing in the meadow, a group of larger birds flew by and teased Tweetie for being small and weak. They called Tweetie names and laughed at it. And Tweetie felt embarrassed and humiliated. Tweetie tried to ignore the taunts of the larger birds, but it was difficult. Every time he saw them, he felt a pang of sadness and shame. But one day, Tweetie met a wise old owl named Hoot.
Hello, little bird. Why do you look so sad? Oh, Mr. Owl, it's a big bird. They make fun all the time because I am small and weak. I see, but you know, sweet birdie, size and strength are not the most important things in life. What truly matters is the size of your heart and the strength character. Really, Mr. Rahul? Yes, really. You see, Tweetie, those big birds may mock you and be little you. But they are small and petty in their hearts. You, on the other hand, are kind and generous, and that is what makes you truly great.
Tweetie thought about Hoot's words and realized that the old owl was right. He couldn't control the actions of the larger birds, but he could control his own reactions. He could choose to rise above their taunts and insults and be true to his own kind and compassionate nature. So with the help of Hoot, Tweetie learned to stand tall and proud and to let the taunts of others roll off his feathers. He sang and danced with even more joy and enthusiasm, and he inspired others to do the same. The larger birds, seeing that the smaller birds were not affected by their taunts, lost interest and flew away. Tweetie and the other small birds were finally free to sing and dance in peace.